Nakita yung lagam doon, oh. Lagam. Bilang o. Lagam doon.
Equality and unity, in this of human care, we will share our lives to for humanity. We're eagles, the Philippine Eagles, lasting peace and love of nation. We're eagles, the Philippine pillars of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. Impressed with still of human care, we will share our lives to keep our liberty.
Mabuhay! Okay.
President, Yusdado Plasides, Vice President, Paterno, ako na speech ko. Magandang gabi sa ating lahat, kuya, ate, and aspirants. Tonight we gather to commemorate another year of friendship, camaraderie, and shared experiences within our incredible club. As we reflect on the past year, let us celebrate the achievements, growth, and memories that we brought us together. The Bravo Solo Eagles Club is not just a club. It is a family that supports, uplifts, and inspires each other to be the best versions of ourselves. It is a place where friendships are forged, laughter is shared, and memories are made that will last with a lifetime. Lagi po natin sa puso, isang-isip ang ating responsibilidad bilang miyembro ng Bravo Sulu Eagles Club as well as the Philippine Eagles Club. Ang ating sinumpaan na kasabi na miyembro ng Bravo Sulu Eagles Club, ang ating man-reduce. Humanitarian nations, alalaya ang agila, respeto sa bawat isa, sa bawat kuya natin. Ang ating pagkakugali bilang miyembro ng agila ay dapat pagbigay inspirasyon sa mga tao na nakapaligid sa atin. At sana'y lalo pa tayong makapagbigaya ng mga miyembro bilang kasabi ng Bravo Solo Eagles Club. So, as we mabuti nyo kaya, So as we raise the toast of the past and look forward to the future, let us continue to embody the spirit of Bravo Solo Eagles Club, spirit, unity, strength, and unwavering support. May this anniversary be a reminder of bonds we have formed in adventures that still lie ahead. Thank you all for being part of this amazing journey. Here's to many years of friendship and fun. Para sa lahat ng ating kuya ate narito at nasa bilang natin dahil siyempre mga busy, may mga kanya-kanyang trabaho din. So our President, Dato Plasides, Vice President Lasan, sa ating National President Ronaldo Santos, at ating Governor si Barbana si Santos sa ating lahat.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay ang
Mabuhay ang agila!
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay ang agila! Mabuhay!
Ano?
you, thank you.
Labo na katawan niya, no? Pwede yan. Baka ano talaga yun.
Bukas ko lang ito eh.